Hi guys, it's Miss Stacy. So you know that this week we've been learning about fire safety, right? Because it was Fire Safety Awareness Week. We made some other videos, maybe you've seen them, maybe you haven't yet, that talk about what to do when there's fire and how to be safe. But for today's OT session, we're just going to use the colors of the fire to do something else, alright? So do we see what colors are in this flame? See this color on top? That's red. This red. And then this color in the middle here is orange. And then on the bottom, there's yellow. So these are the three colors that are in this fire. So these are all colors of paint, and sometimes we just like to paint with our fingers, right? We like to put some paint on a paper or on a plate and use our fingers to move it around. So I have all my colors, red and orange and yellow. And sometimes what we like to do is just use our finger and paint with them, right? So we're working on keeping our fingers straight and making designs with the paint. And that can be something that's really fun to do. But what we always don't like necessarily all the time is that sometimes then our hands are dirty. And some of us don't like getting our hands dirty. Or sometimes we just don't want to, right? So I'm going to show you today another way that you can paint without getting your fingers dirty. Alright? So what we're going to do, so we're going to get a bag. We're going to use our two hands. We're going to pinch the two sides. We're going to open up our bag. And then we're going to put some paint right inside our bag. So we're going to use these three colors, right, for our Fire Safety Week. So we're going to take some red. I'm going to shake it. Open it up. And I'm going to make one line over here of red paint. Kind of got to use a lot because we're going to do lots of finger painting. It's going to be really fun, all right? And then our next color is orange. So I'm going to open it. I like to open it with my thumb and push. We're going to put some orange paint in our bag, squeeze it all in there. And then we're going to open with our thumb and put some yellow paint in the bag, all in there. And then this is important, you're going to close the bag, all right? So to close the bag, I'm going to push with my finger. And listen, I can hear it clicking, click, 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 all the way across. We make sure we get all the air out. So this is what our bag looks like right now. And now comes the fun part. So you can use your finger, you can use your whole hand, whatever you want to do. And we're going to mix that paint all together. You can use both hands. Whenever I get too excited, the table starts shaking and then the computer shakes. So look at that. We're mixing it together and it's looking like the colors of the flames. How cool is that? So we're going to keep mixing. It kind of also looks like the fall leaves. Remember when we were talking about the different color leaves? And there was red and orange and yellow. So right now you can still see the separate colors, but it's all mixed out. So what you want to try to do once it's in there is we're going to try writing on here with our fingers, just like we were doing with our finger when we were getting messy and finger painting. So let's see if we can finger paint on this bag. I'm going to try first to use my finger and keep my finger really straight, and I'm going to make a line down. Do you see it? I don't know if it will stay there when I pick it up. Oh, it did. Look at that. So we made a line down in our paint, we finger painted, and my finger's still clean. Let's see if I can make a line across. Whoa. So now we have a line down and a line across, and you can see them in our paint. And we want them to go away. We just spread our paint out again, and the colors are still mixing, which is kind of cool. So look, now it's all smooth again. I'm going to see if I can write, I'm going to write OT, because then we can make a circle and a line down and a line across. Ready? Here I go. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go around. So for my O, I made a circle. And now for T, I'm going to take my finger again. I'm going to go down and I'm going to go across. Look. Wow. Now it says OT. And we want it to go away. We just go like this. And we can erase it. Maybe you don't want to make letters. Maybe you just want to make a design or draw a picture. So with your hands flat, you can mix it. If you can't hold your finger like this, somebody can help you. Hold one finger, or you could hold something in your hand, right? Like the end of a paintbrush, and you can make a design. So you can make a squiggly line. I need some squiggles. You can use lots of fingers at once and make a different kind of design. It's pretty cool. How about, do you think we can fit more letters on there? Because what if you're practicing writing your name? I'm going to practice writing my name. So maybe first I'll start doing it big, and I'll do one big letter at a time. All right, so S goes all the way around. We're going to go around like this. Whoa, I made a really big S. And do you remember how we made T when we were writing OT? We did down and across. Look at that, T. Do we think I can make the rest of the letters in my name really small and fit all of them? So it's 4 more letters. It's A, which goes down, down, across. C goes around. E goes down, across, across, across. And Y goes down and down. Oh, I fit him. It was pretty tight. But look, there's the rest of the letters in my name. Do you remember what we do when we want the lines to go away? We use our hands. This is the fun part. And we go, whoa! And we mix all that paint together. So remember how we started out and all our colors were separate? You can still tell which side had the yellow and orange and which had the red, but they're pretty mixed together. So isn't this cool? I think it's a really cool thing because it's fun just like painting, and you get to see all the colors, but your hands don't get as dirty. So it's something you can keep playing with at home for a long time and not have to keep cleaning up, right? So I'm going to tell you, I'm going to write my message to you. So we're going to say goodbye for now, and I hope maybe you can try this at home if you have some paint, and we'll see you soon. Bye.